I'm gonna start with the STILA mascara. So swish your wand around, wipe off the tip. Feels really smooth so far. It doesn't feel like they're clumping. So next I'm gonna try the Bodyography Epic Lash on this side. It's instantly lengthening. I definitely feel like it's giving me a longer effect to my lashes than the STILA, but I also feel like this, I don't know how to explain it, feels kind of like gluish. It feels like as if I was putting some black Elmer's glue on my lashes. I don't know if you can tell, but these feel fuller to me. These look longer but feel sticky, and I really don't like the sticky mascara feeling. This is the Bodyography eye. You can see it was starting to clump, and if I was gonna continue to try to make my lashes thicker, which is what I like for them to look fuller than that, it was gonna be, let's just try it. It was gonna be Clump City, so let me show you guys. Not liking that when I know I like this guy. Let me do a little final comparison. STILA Huge Mascara, $30. Bodyographies, $20. Stay tuned for my favorite mascara. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna demo the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara that's around $5 to $10. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that. The perfect wand. It's not too big, not too small. Let's see how it goes on. They are not getting clumped at all. So I'm obviously a fan. Gonna give it another coat. Come on. The L'Oreal Voluminous eye didn't clump. It feels light, unlike this eye. This eye feels heavy and definitely clumped. You can see all of those clumps, and you can also see if I touch my eyelashes, can you guys tell it's super dry versus this eye? They feel fluffy. Oh my gosh, this eye is a nightmare. The winner, hands down, L'Oreal Voluminous. I love it. It's one of my favorites. Give it a try. Tell me what you think. Let me know what your favorite mascara is. I'm curious. And I hope you guys are staying safe out there.